Welcome to this tutorial on how to commission the Delta RPI Flex Inverter series. When you open the MyDeltaSolar application, you'll be taken to the login screen. If this is your first time using the application, please create a new account by clicking on the Create Account button. To complete your account registration, fill in all of the fields. Please note that your password must contain at least one number and one special character, and the plant name must not contain any spaces. Next, you will be taken to the initial settings page. Please click OK for the pop-up message, and you will be redirected to your phone's Wi-Fi settings. To connect, select your inverter's Wi-Fi. The name will begin with Delta _ followed by your inverter's serial number. When prompted, enter in the password DeltaSol in capital letters. Now, switch back to the application. If you are connected to the inverter successfully, the fields will update automatically. After reading the terms and conditions, select the checkbox if you agree, then click OK. For security reasons, you will be asked to change the inverter's Wi-Fi password. If you would like to use the same password as your account, click Set. Otherwise, select the Change to Other bubble, enter your desired password, and click Set. Lastly, to connect your inverter to the cloud, click on the Scan button to search for local Wi-Fi networks. Select the network you wish to connect your inverter to, enter the network's password, and click Connect. This can take around 20 to 30 seconds depending on the quality of your internet connection. Once successful, a connection success message will pop up on the screen. Congratulations, you have successfully commissioned your inverter and connected it to the cloud. If a connect error message appears on your screen, the strength of your router's Wi-Fi signal may be the issue. Please try to shorten the distance between your inverter and the router to improve the signal, then repeat the last step again.